Now, here's how you can build a random number generator iPhone app. Well, I'm not going to be talking about using Xcode or programming, I'm not going to be doing anything like that. But what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can simply add anything as an app to the home screen. So what you can do is open up the Safari and look up any kind of like a random number generator, right? So what you can do is just to type that in, and you can use it through Google, right? But there are also some specific websites like this one called random.org, and you can choose, the minimum and maximum numbers and everything, and you can choose like the random number. And the point is that in case you want to generate this very often, what you can do is click on a share at the bottom and click on add to home screen. Now you can rename it as much as you like. So I'm going to type in random or randomizer, right? That sounds good. I'm going to click on add, and now it looks like I've just created the brand new app, which obviously is just a shortcut for the website. But when I open it up, you can see it just behaves like an app, and I can get inside of this, the random number generator anytime I want. I mean, of course, if you were expecting me to just show you, a full Xcode tutorial on how you can build one, this is not the video for that, but I'm just showing you, just like a cool way in case you actually need random number generator at all times on your iPhone. But of course, you don't even have to do that, as I'm pretty sure that in the App Store, there are going to be some apps which are going to be able to do this. So I'm just going to look it up. To be honest, I'm not even sure about those options, but yeah, there are plenty of, like, you can see like random numbers and stuff. So yeah, let me know what you think about it down below in the comments. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later on in the next video.